Hello guys, this is Vysh. So the breaking news for today: the rupees 2000 notes is withdrawn by RBI, and some students message me like, "Can you make the video? What is this? What is this update? Is it a legal tender now?" So such things. Okay, like what will happen to your rupees 2000 note and all such queries, I'll try to answer in just like a small video. Okay, so the 2000 rupee note, the RBI has decided to withdraw it now, and from circulation it won't come, means they will not print it anymore. Okay, and the exchange deadline, they have kept it off September 30, 2023. Okay, like today is May 19th, so June, July, August, September, you have 4-5 months. By that time you can exchange it with the RBI. There is no need to hurry or go and stand in queue and make a scene out of that, make a chaos out of it. It's not like last time the demonetization process. It's not like that. Okay, it will still continue to be a legal tender. You can use whatever you have and you can finish it off by spending it also. So whatever you have legally, the money which you have, you can use it. Okay, only those who have hoarded lot of money and kept it in bulk and all, they will have maybe some issues. Okay, so as part of their clean note policy, RBI has declared this today, May 19th, on Friday. And to complete the exercise in a time-bound manner, RBI has directed banks to provide deposit and exchange facilities until September 30, 2023, so as to give adequate time to the public. Okay, and mostly it will be extended also by that time. Okay, they will tell it's not over and people need more time. They will again give time. Okay, so that they can convert the legitimate holdings, meaning you have, it's a legal money, you have earned it yourself or you have got it through transactions, that you can do. Okay, not like the ones you have illegally got it or the fake notes, that you can't do anything. Okay, so as of now, how much is there? How much 2000 rupee notes are there? Approximately 181 crore notes in the denomination of 2000. Amount values around the 3.62 lakh crore, constituting about 10.8 percentage of the Indian currency note in circulation. Okay, so more than 10% in circulation is the rupees 2000 note. Okay, and the total value of these notes declined from the 6.73 lakh crore, which was at peak. Okay, in the like 2016-17 time it was introduced, and 2018 it was at its peak, like maximum note was in circulation. Okay, and you know the demonetization time is the time when the 500 rupee note and the 1000 rupee note was made like not a legal tender, meaning that moment when the Prime Minister told, from that time whatever you had is not usable. Okay, you can't exchange it, you can't do anything out of it. Okay, so that reason, okay, whatever you had, the legal one, you could exchange, same like that. But here it's not like it is not legal tender. Okay, it is legal tender, you can use it tomorrow also, day after tomorrow also, not like you have to run with the note to the bank. Okay, so adequate time is given, and after that it is being stopped. Okay, the printing is being stopped. So what happens next? As I told, you can exchange it with the RBI. That limit also I'll tell you how much you can take it together and go. Before September 30 you can do. RBI said that about 89% of the 2000 rupee note were issued prior to March 2017 and are at the end of their estimated lifespan of 4-5 years. Okay, that time, because the economic crunch will come, the 500 and 1000 both are taken back by the bank. People will need high value notes. That is why 2000 rupee note was introduced. Okay, so now 4-5 years is over. The purpose for which it was introduced, that is over. That is what RBI has told. Okay, as I told, the total value, which was its peak in 2018, has declined. By the time of 2023 estimate, it is declined. So people are not using that heavy, big notes also. Most of the ATMs don't have 2000 rupee note also. So slowly anyway it was declining. Okay, so now what people can do is, as I told, people may deposit rupees 2000 note into their bank account or exchange them into bank notes of other denomination at any bank branch. Okay, not like you have to go to only SBI or only your personal bank. You can go anywhere and do it. So deposit into the bank accounts can be made in the usual manner, that is without restrictions and subject to extant instructions and other applicable statutory provision, meaning any new instructions or laws come, unless then you can go and transact it. You can go and give it to the bank. And for operational convenience, they have kept a limit, because it's not like everyone get panic and then first day itself take the entire money and go. It's not like that. So they have told a limit of rupees 20,000 for their operational convenience. You can take, okay, 2000 rupee note up to 20,000 cash you can go and do from May 23. Okay, today is May 19, so it is not yet started. From May, before that, if you want to spend the money also, you can spend, you can do whatever. So May 23 onwards, every day 20,000 limit, and maybe they will increase the limit also later. You can go and exchange it and get the other smaller denomination notes. Okay, or you can go and deposit in your account, so it will become digital money. Okay. And as of now, there is no instructions given to ATMs that you should stop filling the thing. Okay, no instructions have been given to banks for not filling rupees 2000 note in ATMs. So banks made their own assessment of amount of denomination requirement for ATMs on the basis of past usage, consumer requirement, seasonal trend. Okay, so banks, this is how they decide, like in ATM, what to fill. So based on that, they will continue to do, and if people are not going to use it, obviously no, they will obviously reduce it, but no clear instructions is given by the government or the finance ministry. It may come in the coming day. So this is what has happened, and there is nothing to panic. It is a legal tender, you can use it. If you have a lot of 2000 rupee note by chance due to any reason, you can start depositing it up to 20,000 a day, and you can go to any bank near you. Okay, this is the overall news update, and it may be good or may not be good. So that you would have seen news like fake rupee 2000 are caught, and fake notes are seized in Rajkot and Surat, and in many other cities it was news. Okay, even in the ports you are getting a lot of money, and fake notes are coming. Legal notes itself, which is like stashed in the economy in the form of like sacks of money is there in minister's house, and here and there we have heard many things. Okay, so you also might have something to tell. So your opinion matters. So tell me what you feel in comment section. What you feel, whether this move is right, or what is the way Indian economy and the RBI printing, the planning, is it good, or everything is fine, or you need changes? You can tell whatever you feel. Okay, you can tell in the comment section, because based on your opinion only we can discuss more on this. Okay, in case any new update come, I can make new videos for you. So you tell your opinion in the comment section. Okay, so I'll wind up this video now. Thank you.